ye jiji nkrofo so dodo ye jiji mo de mo ye political strategies me ni sa strategy ni bi you do me I do you ye jiji Ghana force too much.
Welcome to the political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Too much. She Mahama ba ye won. And na me da ho me trotro niema 1212 bi a enko yie. Can you believe say NDC for ne sorry a NPP no osi de be mpa me ba NPP never again. NPP never even afa no omanya ayo a month and a half no omo try NPP never again. Na response am body ma omo ba omo microphone ba ko no wantro biem. NPP never again. Enti no mubaye a month and a half nie. Mame bubo scandals nko amenya nko ye 15 eno kwanye nyina na matwro 15 but omu jira any musa dan kwa jina ejina ayi good evening Ghana say Mahama ye popular Mahama ye keni popularity they are just a joke. Enti NPP for this is a time I see nyina coming together ni yedi ku Mahama kronfo ene ni cronies ne so ni etimi expose yomo pepe na enimguase na omaye omaje so me de begu NPP for ne empanifo no omo nso ebi aka omo na again mame nko oforiata so kakra OSP no munya shoso OSP oyare Ghana yen bibia we hia more psychiatric homes because eya too much. The voice say mame ba we intel bi minim boy see bi na wo Ministry of Finance inside that nominate oforiata na ye adwuma because na me friend busa say to boss akosi sending your management he was just giving me information o see that OSP kiseja bin otanya all the time we can say oforiata mame nkan kire o see omo wo ho ye beye budget the last ever say 2 years ago oforiata was changed and the agencies ni nyina so biare ni budget ba na de share national budget ni mu oforiata ti won mu akokoko so we book appointment you can say OSP by yeah ye ko bia ni budget mu a bulletproof de bend unim say OSP ni ma motorcade na de ma ko school motorcade yes motorcade any security na de ma ko school yes yes ne ma security for na de ma ko school edi ebie na wo pe yeso foriata ebie we no nesi nanimu a nso foriata so kasanya kakra ene that dem yes it imagine say obi o slow talk asa no or di watamu a ebetimi akọ ho pa because or to ne bu no pronounce words nti ebe ko dompem na OSP ka foriata ka say how do you expect me to give taxpayers money amount of taxpayers money to you because of ejuma wo yer krampo no enye se ye discredit wo ye hu niti enwu ne nan what your bulletproof cars moto salary we niam basa enkonya enye se ebi si wo bi wo ho one listing niam basa ne so free asa kaja nso on free ni so nko and kiseja bin thought say ofori ata has been rude to him enti ono ebetua neka enti ni platform betua neka ni say obegu papa ni mu ase na onim so no akasa na ogu ohunu ani mu ase ade a kiseja bia ye wahu me say owie ni OSP adwuma na so dwane free Ghana because ono akasa ni image wadante ne deda so say Mahama enkwase adwuma no be ya Mahama kiseja be wenim begu ase wenim sesempoa wa pantan se shoemaker for box na me se wo oforiata na ese the lawyers etimi sue no so mu sue na no on tro can I say like a letter enkoma BBC Africa onsa Wikipedia no mko yen kwasasem no mko change also you hefty huge amount of money because Kenofurata reputation ekuta Kenofurata no wo sa akwaya wanim sa twede yi ebi uni bimpo na wonya bisu mpo because when wadanfo be prior to OSP adwumai when wadanfo anas ni amoya ne se mo setting crofo app no ma video mo na mo dia babejiska juma na mo dia no juma na kiseja bi odia no no e no mo di nyom hu se tam o mo gigi crofo nsa ase efi o mo nsem e di nyom hu se tam kerere japo be bom deda na o mo ja san kwasasem ni di and one is saying nambe because senior papa no also be kind or say Ghana for a draining of form too much. Mami touch you on Nana B. Me Nana B be the omunya nhwehwe mu no. Sa you know dia court ndo munko onko withdraw. Omunko withdraw. Omo na koto omaba. Omumbo krese kre no monsa. You lay your bed. You wasn't you wasn't you what do they call it? How do they call it? You lay your bed, you lie in it.
Campaign. I think the NDC came out clearly to promise jobs for the youth and the people of Ghana. It is over power. Not automatically you are laying people off. What message are you trying to send to the people? Uyi nipa Ghana has say no obi ye juma or obe 3 dependent. 3 or 4 dependent. It is uyi ne dia and you no pen affect nipa be 3 or 4 or 5 people will suffer the consequences. The clear difference between NPP and NDC, I think say most people don't know. They say NPP a share of mine, almost share individuals. They take care of the nation. Osha kufoba ye policies or implementing it was geared towards the development of the country. 1, national health. 2, metro mass buses. Other social interventions. But when you look at NDC, they don't care about the country. They only care about free maternal care. Kufadu Baye, he rolled out planting for food and jobs. He created a lot of jobs. Industrialization, he was there. Free SHS, he was there. So most policies, when NPP comes to power, they think about the nation. They put in policies to help the nation. But NDC, they look out for their members. They don't care about the country. Into Usha, NDC, omoba power, few people, ubeshase oma ye, omo members are omoni naninam, sebe omoni naninam, they don't have anything. Ubeshase omo inoma ye. They look for their members. They don't care about the country. If you care about the country, how can you tell me, say, what about power 7th December? You know, sometimes you can apply for a job, maybe take you 1 year as you for interview. Some even take 2 years. And so now you show you for first interview, second interview, then they'll give you appointment letter. It is all banner by promises say you are going to create jobs for the youth. Meanwhile, you came and you are dismissing people. Where is the correlation? Where is the correlation? There's no correlation. So this clearly tells us, say, NDC, they thrive on deception and lies. They thrive on deception and lies. And NPP, it's a lesson to us. Menka Samuba power, we should dismiss people. But we should learn something from what is happening. I'm not saying when you come power, we should dismiss everybody. No, you're Ghanaians. Oma Ghana near Juma, the person pays tax. Or the indirect taxes. At the long run, the nation benefits from it. But a lesson to NPP members. I'm saying this because national security, there were people there. I kufado power no yan dismiss you biya. NDC ba power ya must sign appointment. Why? Yes. If wife was there, communication and that's communication. Yeah, Rashid's people was there. 8 years. 8 years. No one touched her. But Uka say, oh, building a nation for the future, a nation everybody want to be proud of. Me too, choir. BBM say member Ghana. That is the nation we are looking out for. Now some taking sad decisions way man. Now some NPP but also taking the same decision now. Are we going to be proud of our country? I don't think so. Nobody will be proud of it. But I just hope that NPP will learn something from what is going on. They should learn something because